Okay, we set a 12 space surface mount panel here in place of the existing panel. Moving this outlet below the panel, omitting this old disconnect for an old dryer. We'll keep this rheostat below the new panel. Everything else on the left hand side will stay original the way it is. We'll just refeed it out of the new panel. Run a 1-inch conduit across this beam, across the lower beam with beam clamps to the far side of the wall. The exterior block wall over here. Set a 4 11/16 junction box here on the bottom of the beam. Run just against the joist with 1 inch all the way down this direction, offsetting back to the brick wall and around and down to the new service that we set in this back location. We'll be setting a 400 amp service with a 400 amp overhead meter base on the outside of the building. These will be 3-phase panels, 120, 208 voltage. And then we'll give an option to run conduit, one conduit from this location up to the high part of the ceiling, across these joists, just all the way to the upper deck where the concrete wall is up on the upper deck. Come down on the surface, penetrate through the block wall, and then continue running the conduit up front to where the equipment will sit. Continue running up here by the front equipment. We'll end up setting a 12 by 12 box in the ceiling for a junction, piping down with the distillery disconnect here, and continue out of the 12 by 12 box with a 100 amp service up to the front of the building to refeed the existing 100 amp service and disconnect it from the outside meter base.